All right, let's go over scapular pull-ups. Probably one of my favorite tools to teach my clients to do their first pull-up, and usually done on exercises in the vertical plane motion, especially if you're pulling. What we're gonna do is go to 1/2 time shoulder width. So if this is shoulder width, I'm gonna go a little bit out wider. Everyone has different arms and different limb lengths, so you might have to adjust. Some people will be a little wider, some people will be a bit more narrow. Once you're in position, you want to make sure you tighten up your body. I'm going to lift my feet off the ground and I'm going to squeeze my whole body so I'm really tense. From here, I'm going to start with my shoulders up. It's kind of like, oh, I don't know what to eat. Okay, you raise your arms up, you don't know. When you do the scapular pull, you're going to do the opposite motion. I'm going to pull down and widen up my shoulders to lift myself up. Just like so. This is going to teach you to start using your scapula on a vertical pull motion. It's one of my favorite tools to just also prime someone. Usually we spend a lot of our day in the opposite position, up in the neck, kind of in front. This is just to help you kind of get back into this position. If the pull-up is too hard, you can always use the band to help yourself up, or do this on another vertical pulling exercise such as a lat pull down. Thank you all so much for joining me on this one. We'll see you on the next one.